Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we will discussing about asset maintenance and reliability. What is maintenance and reliability? Maintenance is all activities involved in keeping a system equipment in working order. For reliability is the probability that a machine will function properly for a specified time. The objective of maintenance and reliability is to maintain the capability of a system while controlling costs. And then moving to the next part.
So now I will tell you about the asset that we choose. The asset that we choose is electric power plant. Electric power plant function is generating electricity to the consumer for their daily life. However, these assets are prone to the failure due to mechanical components breakdown. So, how can we apply asset reliability and maintenance on electric power plant to prevent it from failing? Let's find out together.
So now for the data analysis part, we are going to explain how do we apply asset management and reliability concept on our asset, which is the electric power plant. So there is two types of method that can be used, which is statistical analysis and also reliability centered asset management. So for the statistical analysis, it is used to predict which mechanical components in the assets that are prone to failure. We can determine this by calculating three things, which is the failure rate, which indicates how many times the component can break down in a year, the mean time between failures, MTBF, which indicates how long does it take for the components to break down, and mean time to repair, MTTR, which indicates how long does it take to repair the broken component. So firstly, we have to identify the components that are prone to fail in the asset. So for our asset, which is the electrical power plant, the cables, breakers, transformers, isolators, and boost bars are prone to fail. So next, we have to find the value for failure rate, MTBF, and MTTR. In order to find that, we can use the following formulas shown in the slideshow. So after getting the value, we have to tabulate the data in a table so that it's easier for us to compare the values. So from the table above, we can conclude that component F2 is the most prone component to fail. This is because it has the highest value for MTBF and also the failure rate. Besides that, component F4 will take the longest time to be repaired since it has the highest MTTR value. So other than that, we can also determine the cost of maintenance for each components. We can find it by calculating the expected breakdown cost and the preventive maintenance cost. Moving on to the next part, the reliability-centered asset management approach.
Reliability-centered asset maintenance approach, or also known as RCAM. RCAM is a method used to determine the strategy for cost-effective maintenance of the physical assets. It is very important to apply RCAM in our physical asset, which is the electric power plant, to make sure that it can supply a reliable and economic power supply to the consumers and at the same time benefit the company. RCAM approach can be divided into three stages, which are stage 1, system reliability analysis. In this analysis, the critical components of the electric power plant which have the highest probability to fail is determined. Stage 2, component reliability analysis. The failure rate and the factors that cause the electric power plant components to fail is identified and tested to ensure reliability. Stage 3, system reliability cost benefit analysis. The strategy of maintenance plan is defined by figuring out when is the right time to perform the maintenance, what preventive maintenance method can be used, and how do we perform the preventive maintenance. The estimated mean time to repair and the cost of maintenance is also calculated. Finally, the preventive maintenance strategies is compared, and the one which is the most cost effective and the most reliable is then selected to be applied on the asset. So that is how we apply the maintenance concept in this particular power plant. So next is the conclusion.
In conclusion, asset maintenance and reliability plays an important role in optimizing an asset. This is because it can help the company to plan the most optimized and cost-saving maintenance plans for the asset, thus improving its reliability to function without facing any problem. Therefore, I highly recommend all the companies to apply asset maintenance and reliability on their asset in order to minimize their expenses in handling an asset. That's all from us for the asset management project. Thank you for your time for watching this video.